Hello everyone and welcome back to our Eudemonia. I'm Dr. Niha and today I will teach you 5 exercises to relieve your knee pain. They are easy and with consistency they work like magic. Ignore my puffed face, it's 5 a.m. in the morning and this is the only time I could make to record something. So let's get started. Exercise number 1, stretch your hamstrings, that is the back of your thigh. It's a simple and easy exercise. To do this, lie on your bed, get your hip knee to a 90 degree angle and grasp your hands like this at the lower end of your thigh. Now you are supposed to straighten your leg from the knee. So if your hamstrings are tight, you won't be able to completely straighten your knee. It will be little bent, but that's okay. So let's start. Get your knee straight as much as you can. If your hamstrings are tight, your knee can be this much bent or this much bent. That's just absolutely fine. You have to straighten it as much as you can. At the maximum position, hold it for 5 to 30 seconds depending on your capacity. You can do it with 5 seconds and slowly and gradually as you're doing the exercise in a few days you can get yourself to holding it for 30 seconds. After you're done holding, bend your leg again from your knee, remove your hands and slowly slide down your leg and relax. Another simple exercise is heel slide. If your knee has a lot of stiffness, this is the simplest form for increasing your range of motion. So again, lie on your bed and you have to do the most easiest thing ever. Gradually slide your heel like this and bring it as close to your hip as you can. If you have pain, you might not be able to bring it this close to your hip. That's absolutely fine. Slide your heel as much as you can into your pain-free range. So if this is the point where it starts paining, just stop right there and slide it back down. Gradually you will be able to slide it more backwards. So be patient and it will definitely be helpful for you. It will slowly increase your pain-free range. The first 2 exercises will get your knee moving and help you improve your range of motion. Now let's do 3 exercises that will improve the strength of your knee muscles. Remember, your knee will stop paining when your knee muscles have enough strength to bear your weight and the regular wear and tear, without causing damage to your bones and other soft tissues like ligaments and menisci, or what you call is cartilages. So let's get started and do our exercise number 3, statics for your hamstrings. Slide your heel, press it into the bed, make sure your hip and back are still attached on the bed and they have not been lifted up. Once you're holding the pressure at your heel for 5 to 30 seconds, as much as you can, relax that pressure at your heel and slide your leg back down. This exercise is called static hamstrings. Exercise number 4, let's do statics for your quadricep muscles. This is one of the simplest exercise that you can do. Just take a little something, a napkin probably, and place it just under your knee. So you're supposed to press your knee on this little thing. So just press your knee and hold it there for 5 to 30 seconds and relax. So press it, hold it for 5 to 30 seconds and relax. See, simple and easy. So 5th, my favorite and the most important exercise for the day. It is famously called as VMO strengthening, but in fact no muscle can be ever strengthened in isolation. So we will ignore the name and concentrate on the exercise, as this is by far the most effective exercise for knee pain relief. To do this exercise, your hip and knee are supposed to be at a 90-degree angle. Now this couch is low and my knees are certainly not at a 90 degrees, so we will do a quick fix for that. I have used this pillow to increase the height of the couch, so it lets my hip and knee stay at a 90-degree angle. You can do the same, or you can use a right side stool or chair that is comfortable for you. Make sure that whatever you are sitting on has to support your entire thigh while you're doing the exercise. Now to do this exercise, my back is supported on the couch and my thigh is entirely supported by what I'm sitting on. So make sure your back is resting and your entire thigh is supported. Now press your knee and thigh down and lift your leg up from the knee. As you're seeing, my entire thigh is supported and my back is supported and my leg is straight through my knee. So hold this position for 5 to 30 seconds and relax. Again, make sure your thigh is entirely supported. So press down your thigh and lift up your leg from your knee. Hold it for 10 to 30 seconds and relax. All the exercises that I have showed you today, make sure you do them 3 times in a day and do it for 5 to up to 20 repetitions each time. Start it with 5 and slowly and gradually make it 20, but be sure to do it 3 times in a day for best relief. And now, all the time that I get asked is, do we do these exercises for both our knees? The answer to this question is, if you have pain with both your knees, of course you do these exercises for both your knees. But if you have pain on one of your knee and your other knee is just fine and healthy, there is one modification that you need to follow. So if your right knee pains, you do half the repetitions of your exercise with your left knee. For example, if you do 10 repetitions for your painful right knee, you just do 5 for your healthy left. This way, you strengthen the knee that is painful and you maintain the strength of your other knee, which has been probably taking more load of your weight since your other knee is being painful. For personalized exercises, always see your physio. I will see you next time in next video. Stay well, stay safe.